So hello guys and welcome to the unboxing of the Balenciaga Reptiles. You will receive them in quite an elongated box compared to the Cargos or the 10XLs, and this is how it's gonna be presented to you. Of course, you got the Balenciaga dust bag. Then we have like these little cards here, these little tags. And let's get right to it. Little teaser and another one, but you guys can already see the silhouette. It looks like a Star Destroyer of kind. And here they are, freaking beautiful, let me tell you guys. So damn nice, especially all the little details. Like if you look at the sole, for example, of course they come without laces. At the beginning I was a bit worried, like how are they gonna stay on feet if they are so big, but they are not really that big. As you guys can see, I got 44 and I usually wear a 47.5, so a US is 13, but these ones fit me like a glove. They fit absolutely perfectly. So here we have number 1, and this is a number 2. Here is already a bit pre-wear applied on them by Demna himself, like on the red and white 10XLs, for example, or the Cargos. They also have that little bit of wear pre-applied. Here we can see the loop logo, and there is the Freebie logo. Also on the other side you can see it as well, and it's actually so damn detailed. Let me show you guys in another shot. 1 second. So we close this box right here. Do we have something else in here? I don't think so. Nah, only a bit of paper. Okay, let's get this closed, and this, and then this, and let's place them on top of the box so it's better to view as a whole. I mean, they have a pretty steep price point, but for what they are, and in my opinion it's art that you can wear, it's alright, it's right at the limit. If you look at all the other offerings, so here your pants can like fall into, so they don't drag. Alone for that, it's so damn awesome. Alright, so let me show you how they look on my feet.